left function is a text function very similar to the right function we previously talked about, only now instead of searching the rightmost characters in a text, the left function searches for the leftmost characters in a text. So if I were to take our example from before and change it to a left function, we still have the same information that's required as the right function. We need a cell where the text is from, in this case B2, and the number of characters we want to return as a result, in this case 3. So now if I were to create this formula or function in Microsoft Excel, the result would change to the word hot, because the letters H-O-T are the 3 first letters starting from the left in the word hot dog found in B2. Now, let's take a look at what this would look like in Microsoft Excel. So here we have our Excel spreadsheet again with our table as before. To create my left function, I would begin with the equal sign, write the name of my function, left, open a parenthesis, and then select my cell. Again, we're going to use the cell B2. And then I want to return the first 3 letters, or leftmost 3 letters, in the word hot dog. So I would put the number 3, close my parentheses, and when I hit enter, it calculates and gives me the first 3 letters, or the word hot. And that is how you create a left function in Microsoft Excel.